Okay, here's a Blindstitch, a 718C6, original USA, made in the USA, 718C6. On this particular machine, have an automatic lift, which you're gonna see the automatic lift. When you push the pedal, it lifts. It lifts right here. Now we're gonna demonstrate the machine. You fold your fabrics. And you're sewing. You see the stitches back and forth. You can eliminate more, less, or more right here with this dial. The machine is ready to go. It's beautiful, and you can do 1x1 stitch, which is right now, or 2x1. You just push it this way, and here you go. It's gonna be 2x1. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company. This is 2x1, which it show you bigger stitches or smaller stitches, as you see. Smaller stitches, bigger stitches. 2x1, 1x1.